A few years ago, if you wanted to grow a business or even manage your work properly, you needed to hire people. Like, for example, a designer, a writer, an assistant. But today, something has changed. Right now, people are quietly using AI tools instead of hiring staff. And most don't even realize how common this has become. In this video, I'll show you the AI tools people are using instead of hiring, what they actually replace, and how beginners are using them to work faster, smarter, and cheaper. No hype, just real use cases. The question is, why is this happening? This isn't about replacing humans, it's about replacing tasks. Most jobs are made up of repetitive work, such as writing, research, scheduling, design, or organization. AI tools are very good at these tasks, especially when speed matters more than perfection. That's why individuals, freelancers, and small businesses are turning to AI first and hiring later. Let's look at the tools. The first tool is ChatGPT. It replaces basic writing and ideas. Many people are using it instead of hiring a basic writer, a brainstorming partner, or even a virtual assistant. ChatGPT helps with emails, social media captions, blog outlines, and idea generation. Instead of waiting days for drafts, people get ideas instantly and refine them themselves. It doesn't replace creativity, it removes the blank page problem. Next is Perplexity, AI which replaces research assistants. This tool is replacing hours of manual research. Instead of Googling, opening multiple tabs, sorting through information, Perplexity gives clear answers, short explanations, and real sources. People use it instead of hiring someone just to research topics, trends, or background information. It's fast, focused, and beginner-friendly. The third tool is Canva AI, which replaces basic design work. Design used to be expensive. Now, many people use Canva AI instead of hiring graphic designers for simple tasks, social media designers, presentation designers. With AI-assisted design, users can create thumbnails, posts, slides, and short videos. You just type what you want, and the design starts itself. For simple visuals, Canva AI does the job fast and affordably. The last tool is Notion A1, which replaces admins and organization tasks. Another underrated tool is Notion AI. This is replacing basic admin tasks like organizing notes, planning projects, summarizing information. Instead of hiring someone to organize ideas or manage tasks, people let AI structure their thoughts, create clear plans, summarize long content. This is especially useful for solo creators and small teams. The big shift is that AI as your first hire. Here's the important part. Most people are not saying that I will never hire humans again. Instead, they are saying, I will use AI first. This shift is because AI becomes the first assistant, the first researcher, the first designer. Then, when things grow bigger, humans step in for higher level work. This shift allows people to start faster, spend less time and money, and also learn more as they continue to embrace AI. Here is how beginners should think about this. If you're just starting out, here's the correct mindset to have. Don't ask which AI replaces a job. Instead, ask yourself, which AI replaces a task I do every day? Then, start small with one tool and one use case. That's how AI becomes helpful instead of overwhelming. In conclusion, AI is not replacing people. It's replacing inefficient ways of working. If you want more simple, real-world AI tools that help you work smarter and earn more, subscribe to Empowerment TV. In the next video, I'll show you tasks you should stop doing manually in 2026.